Why is this undefined? Oh, because it's in an array. Okay. So let's say var Twitter user equals response 0, and then let's say, okay, let's try this. Oh, Ryan Hoover's also on Twitter. So maybe Product Hunt is available at the moment. There you go, Twitter followers formatted. So now that shows up in our object. Then let's also go page info dot Twitter followers number equals Twitter user dot, is it just followers count? Let's have a look. And guess and hope we're right. Yep, awesome. Actually, let's just make this just Twitter followers, and then we'll have formatted separately. Cool. So this is what our response looks like at the moment. Cool. So now we can tick off Twitter. Okay, so Twitter, let's italicize the ones that I've done maybe. Okay, awesome. Cool. So that was quick. Twitter API is done. Boom. I should really build some proper error handling, but I think I'll do that a bit later on once we've kind of got everything actually out there and working, and yeah. Well, Pat Wolves is on. Wonder what he's doing at the moment. Like he's moderating this whole event. Okay, who's he looking at? Jesper HT. Oh, hey Kerr. What is up? Let's go back to me now. Oh, I need to zoom out a bit. Yeah, okay, that's better. Sit a bit further backwards. It's about time I log some stuff to make a log. When were you last there, Kerr? Let me have a look. Okay, that was back there. Okay, so yeah, I forgot where you last were, but this isn't dropping. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I forgot exactly where I was when you left, but you were starting the API. Okay, cool. So what I've done since then is I've basically, at the moment, this is the stuff it's getting. So this is like the object that it will return to the front end. So that's like, so the number of followers on Twitter, name on product hunt, post count, image URL, header image, then followers, total votes across all their projects. So like if you launch 3 things on product hunt, then this will be like the total of all the votes that you've got for all your products, then like the average votes per product, then just like a list of all the products with a bit of info, then the shortest duration between two launches, the longest duration between two launches, and the average duration between launches. Yeah, I can't wait either. I think I'm kind of tempted to start working on the front end, like really tempted. Like my head is hurting from back end stuff. I want to make some beautiful CSS, but like I think I should probably just get the back end done and out of the way, and then we can write the beautiful CSS when I'm like dead, like 2 hours before the end of the stream. So is the next thing Makerlog and whip? Yeah, basically. Yeah, that's what's next. So I should probably also get the Twitter name, because like I'm getting the product hunt name. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but let's put it in there. So I think page info dot Twitter name equals Twitter user dot name. Cool. So awesome. In case you're wondering why it says Pat Walls, by the way, that's because I've only launched 2 things on Product Hunt. So I was so the shortest and longest and average would all be the same for me. And Pat Walls kind of had a nice amount of stuff that he'd launched, so it wasn't like too crazily long like Peter Levels, but there's still enough there to work with. And also like he's doing this whole thing, so it's like fun to use him. Can you show your Notion again? How do you use it? Should actually do like an entire walkthrough sometime. But like this is just very basic, like to-do lists and stuff. This actually isn't before stream, so I should like update that. I should probably move that to this page actually. I have like a reminder thing here. That's Twitter API. But yeah, like my Kanban mail thing is probably more fancy. Like I have like a whole features Kanban board with sorts of things like that, and like I have like a calendar view where I can see like what I've shipped when, and yeah, and that lives inside a public roadmap page. So like this is shared via link, so anyone can check the roadmap at any time. Also, do you already have a Notion account? Because if you don't, tell me in the chat and I can give you a link, and then you'll get like I think $10 free credit, so like 2 months free. Then I also like that's my main fancy page. Then like marketing, I have like a testimonials page where I like embed nice stuff from Twitter. I also have like an articles, like posts about Kanban mail, which has like all these different posts. Bunch of stuff. I should do like a full tour of it sometime. But yeah. Okay. Which order was I gonna do this in? I'm wondering if I should do Makerlog API first. So Makerlog is made by Sergio, and yeah, Sergio's cool. And he's also doing a 24-hour startup challenge. So he's only actually just recently made the API for Makerlog, so it's a bit like in beta, and like the documentation isn't great yet. So I think a lot of the stuff I'll need to ask him. So first, let's just see what he's up to here. Depending on like how, like if he's kind of busy at the moment, like we can do whip.chat API first. I was thinking of doing Makerlog first, because I want to leave whip.chat for the end, because I had a little play around with their API and it seems like really nice and smooth. So I want to leave that for when I'm like half brain dead, because I mean like Sergio's awesome and stuff, but like because the API is like very new, it's a little bit of a mess, I think, from what I've seen. But like it'll still be good to use, I think. But I think whip.chat will just have like less complications.
Hey, Ethan.
Okay, how's it going? Should probably like grab something proper to eat soon, but I feel like now that I've done the little Twitter bit,
Pretty
I'm
good.
feeling
I was just talking to this guy. He
kind of on a roll.
He wants to publish a product hunt, and he has like no idea how to do it.
Oh,
So,
he
received
CC'd
a
me
message.
too.
I told him to do it.
Let's do that too. Convince this dude to launch on Product Hunt. So many notifications.
I'm getting ready to submit to the competition. It's still not done, of course, but I'm getting ready. Mostly just doing cosmetic fixes because the back end is done, the front end is not. So I'm just making cosmetic fixes so it looks more presentable. But overall, it's pretty solid. I've been gathering data points since I got robots working. It already has like thousands of data points.
Wow, nice. Nice, Sergio. Feels weird like watching someone else's stream on stream.
Oh, yeah.
And like if I'm talking over them.
Wow, 2,396.
Dashboard.
This is just like an MVP. There's a lot to do. Sensors are really bare bones. Stats aren't even there yet. I gotta make a whole data science studio for people to like work with stats. Thanks. I think my favorite part is probably these graphs because I hand wrote them. This graph specifically, I hand wrote it. It's all in custom makes and how many kinds of photos it's working. Bro, you have like 24 entire hours to continue this. I have like 3, so you have time. Chill. You have time. It's totally fun.
Okay.
Wait, you've been going for 9 hours already? Wow, time flies. What? Impossible, no way. Really? Wow, time flies, like I didn't even notice. No. Like, I feel like it was like a few hours ago that I actually like, that I actually checked your stream. I was like, what? Oh dude, yes, stream recursion, it's gonna happen. I wanna see that. No way, let's see. Oh what, this is gonna be so weird. It's gonna be so weird. Alright.
Okay.
This is low-key awesome. Let's wait for it to actually catch up. It's gonna be really funny. Dude, what? No way. Look at the stream. Do whip chat first, then do maker.rocks, because I'm currently like, I'm working. Well, no, not really. Oh yeah. Do whip chat first, because I'm currently, for the next 3 hours, I really have to. I'm gonna rush to finish this, but for now, yeah, just for now, just do whip chat. Once I'm done, I'll be available full time to help you out. Because I'll just be browsing Twitter, checking people out on their streams. It's gonna be pretty cool. So just hit me up once I'm done, and I'll be there to help with any questions.
Hey, what's up? Oh, look, it's Sergio. Okay. Cool. Okay, well, have fun, Sergio. I'll catch you soon. Okay. You've returned once again. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, I need to turn me off, otherwise we'll get an echo. 17 people. I think everybody's left to go back to Pat Walls' stream. 66 viewers. Nice. What's Pat Walls doing? So Jip,
I tried to build a business to business.
Oh, cool! He's doing a
small, medium brands.
An interview with Marie from Women's Make. Women Makes. Women Make. I don't know. Okay. So basically, what I've done is now it also gets Twitter followers, and to do that, I also needed to make like an array filled with promise chains because I need to call the Twitter chain and the product hunt chain separately and like wait for them like all to complete before returning a response. Stream inside a stream. Yup, exactly. Okay. So now we're gonna do whip chat. What's the time? 4:10. Thinking. Yeah. Okay. So the interview. It's now 4:10 a.m. The interview with Pat is at 5 a.m. In fact, I think I might be like next. That's pretty crazy. So actually, let's just go to here. I'm sure it'll be in the menu. Where's is it like slash schedule or something? No. Dream interviews. I'm just guessing this link. We can always go to Twitter and check. So much Twitter love. "86 people live." Yeah, so cool. Are you doing something, Corey? I forgot. For 24-hour startup. Here we go. This is the one I'm looking for. He posted a link to a schedule. Okay. Starting midday in California. Okay. Wow. I can't believe how spread out this is. Like, for example, Sergio I think has like 3 hours left or something, and then like people still haven't started, and I'm like kind of in between. Awesome. So at the moment Marie's being interviewed, and then it's me. So I'm gonna. Okay, so I was gonna work on a whip chat next, but then Sergio said I should work on Makerlog first. I mean, I was gonna work on Makerlog next, but Sergio said to wait until he's done with his stream, and then he'll like be able to help me with that. So I'm just gonna log some stuff to Makerlog. I forgot where we were last time I logged something. Oh yes, wow, okay, we haven't been there for a while. No, he said do whip chat first because he's got 3 hours left on his stream, and he said he's going to be staying up a bit after anyway, just like browsing Twitter and looking around. So he said like then he'll be able to help me more, like with the API and stuff, whereas now he's kind of like busy in the last 3 hours trying to get everything done in time. So yeah. Meantime, what did I do? Created function that sets Stripe metadata. Updates Stripe metadata if the correct login code is provided. Maker.rocks. Then get info from product hunt API maker.rocks. Then get info from Twitter API maker.rocks. Sergio and me confused. Wow, okay. I don't know how that happened. Send a reply email to Spark post with what is it, like required information. Okay, cool. Yep, so I think, okay, 4:15. So now, instead of doing Whip Chat API, where will I be able to watch your interview? You can either watch it on Pat's stream or on my stream, like both. Yeah, both work. Okay. So I'll probably be getting food for like maybe 5 minutes or something. And then I'll be back, and then we can eat and chill and just kind of, you know, be all like calm and not in the middle of anything for when the interview happens. Yeah, like, don't all disappear permanently. I'll probably be back on in like 5-10 minutes, so come then. Okay, have fun. See you soon. Hey, I'm back. Is anyone still watching this? 13 people. Hey, 13 people. So many messages everywhere. Check your storage thing. Oh, did you like go back in the stream and like steal my API key? I mean, not API key, login key or something. Yeah, like obviously, if like this was actually sensitive data, I wouldn't be sharing my sign-in code with you on stream. But like, yeah. Yeah, because okay, so in case you're yeah, don't worry, you didn't ruin anything. I'll just screenshot it the first time. Yeah, I was like, should I show this? But like obviously when I obviously when I do it properly, like I'll sign in again with a new code. So like in case you're wondering about this, this isn't like it's not like anybody can get hacked like this. It's just because obviously I was sharing my private login code, which will normally be stored nice and safely in your browser. But nice, I've taken a screenshot of that. Now, okay, let's delete this for the moment. Sorry about that. But I have a screenshot just for fun. Oh wait, why are there two Twitch usernames? I should probably do some... Oh, okay, you did capital N there. I was like, what? Why is there a duplicate? Okay, cool. Wait a sec. Putting in the password now. No. Totally worth it. I must say so far, like, all you people on the stream have had great ways of trolling me. First, I think it was like Kerr with his link that he sent, which he pretended it was like a sticker pack and it redirected to like some song, and now this. Nice to do it while sneakily while I was away too. Yep. Okay. So I've got like some food now, which I heated up in the microwave. It's like one of those ready meal things. Let's check Twitter. So I'm gonna just eat, make sure I don't do an interview on an empty stomach. Too. Why does everybody always get the screenshots of me with my eyes closed? I don't get it. It happens like every single time, okay? This is not fair. Thanks, Simple Dev. Appreciate it. I wonder if anyone's like launched yet. Participants. Wow, okay. 7 people launched. Oh, it's so good to have warm food. All these people. Cool. Oh, Madison's doing this. I know her. Yeah, I didn't know she was doing the challenge. Did I reset my code? No, I actually didn't. Like, I can, but yeah. Just don't do it too often. Yeah. If people keep doing it and it like gets kind of out of hand, then I'll reset it. But for the moment, it's not reset. My earphones keep falling out. Putting your earphones in the correct way, like a boss. Funny story, by the way. While I was putting this in the microwave, I was getting so used to this streaming thing that I was basically, what was I? Yeah, so I was, yeah, so I was putting stuff in the microwave, while not annotating, what am I trying to say? I can't talk anymore. While commentating, that's it. While commentating, me putting like food in the microwave to no one at 4 AM, so that was fun. Did you reset this yet? But cause 502. That's weird. Let's check the error. I mean, it's probably just something to do with you messing around, like that wouldn't happen normally. But let's check just in case. You probably forgot an attribute, maybe. Invalid. Oh yeah, that's because there's a 500 character limit. What is this? Okay. Okay. So, oh yeah, I think I'm nearly at 100 Twitch followers. Let's have a look. Group channel. Where's Twitch being? Oh wait, no, this is my channel. Yeah. Followers. Oh no, we're not. 72. Getting there. Yeah. Oh no, it is. Look, 99. Boom. If you're watching this right now and you're not following me, feel free to be my 100th follower. Yeah. What? What is this post? Yep, you were 99. Okay, so, we can close this now. What's the time? 4:41. 20 minutes until the interview with Pat. Thinking there's probably not much point in starting whip.chat now. Yeah, I think yeah, so I think I'll just kind of check notifications for the next 20 minutes. Let's see what's going on in general. In having a bit of a no, you can't reserve names already. No. Yeah, it is a fun Slack. If I only knew how Slack worked. You just like sign up and then do it. Yeah, a little bit. Not that confusing once you're used to it. It's basically just text messages, but like lots of group text messages together, sort of, called channels. Okay. Whoop, 10 minutes. Did I just say 10 minutes in? Oh wow, I'm tired. What I meant to say was 10 hours in. Interview with Pat Walls starts in 20 minutes. Login done. I think I'm in another one, but I can't click sign in anywhere. I think if you sign up at Maker's Kitchen, then you get like a link sent or something. It's kind of weird. You get like a different account for each Slack thing you're in. It's not like Telegram or anything like that. This button is still really satisfying. What's Pat doing right now?
Ooh. Okay, that looks terrible though. But at least it showed up. But that extension says that's a PHP code, but it's an HTML code. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I have PHP stuff. Thanks! I don't know what's happening. Where did my OBS go? I don't know.
Pretty fancy.
It's gone forever. You guys are stressing me out with these noises, man. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I have PHP code, so I just assume, like, it's fine putting that everywhere. I don't know. Like, everything's working. Also promoting your stream via Discord. Oh, cool, thanks. More pressure. It's fine.
Cool.
I'm just very slow at what I do, so I just feel like when people watch me, like, I don't know. I don't know. Followed. Good luck on the startup. Thanks, Rejuvenation. What's happening?
What is this like?
Maybe I should go outside this.
Notification thing.
Maybe I shouldn't. Let's see.
Okay.
That's not
10 minutes left.
Why is it showing like that?
Yeah, I don't think there's really much point in like working on anything new now. I think we'll just kind of wait. We'll just kind of wait. 16. Also, like, feel free to ask me like questions about Kanban mail or anything like that. Yeah. Let's see how Adrian's doing. I haven't been watching him in ages.
Links Let's hit push and hit push.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's pushing to a Roku. Let me see here. All. Usually it's good to specify your engines. I didn't, and it works. So no need to do that.
It's not that bad, is it? I'm on Android. I don't know about iOS, but like,